Installing a transformer in a tough environment with lots of airborne debris or heavy moisture in the air? If so, you might need a cast resin transformer. These units deliver extra protection, low maintenance, and reliable performance where standard dry types may fall short. It's Mac from Maddox, back with another transformer tech tip. So most dry type transformers have a few basic protective features. The default winding protection is VPI, or vacuum pressure impregnation, where the windings are coated in a high temperature polyester varnish, and the unit is typically inside a steel enclosure coated in an anti-rust paint. For some environments, this basic protection isn't enough. Cast resin transformers are built for such conditions. Their windings are sealed in epoxy resin, giving them extra mechanical strength and environmental protection. The two main types are encapsulated and cast coil units. Encapsulated transformers are small, resin-filled units used for voltages under 1,000 volts. Their smaller size means the entire enclosure is filled with epoxy. Once cured, the windings are locked into a solid block, leaving only the tap leads and terminals exposed. These units are small enough that some can be wall-mounted. You'll see them in mines, pulp and paper facilities, marine environments, anywhere durability matters in lower voltage applications. Encapsulated transformers are ideal for applications below 1,000 volts. Above that voltage range, you'll need a cast coil transformer. Cast coil units are dry type transformers with a cast resin mold just around the windings. The windings are first wrapped in fiberglass and then placed into a mold. Resin is then poured or vacuum cast over them and then cured to form a solid structure. You'll typically find these units in industrial plants, medical facilities, and data centers. Those are the basics of two types of cast resin transformers. So why would you choose one of these over a regular VPI dry type? First, no partial discharge. Partial discharge is a localized dielectric breakdown that occurs in air gaps inside a transformer's insulation. However, the epoxy in a cast resin transformer covers the windings completely, eliminating any possibility of air pockets and partial discharge. Second, low noise. The resin locks the transformer windings in place, which minimizes vibration and any subsequent noise. This is ideal in areas like commercial buildings or schools. If you want to learn more about transformer noise, take a look at our other video on why transformers hum. Third, no moisture. Typical dry type transformer windings are exposed to ambient conditions like humidity or moisture. A cast resin transformer blocks any moisture from getting into the windings, even if your environment is extra humid. No moisture can get past the resin. And lastly, low maintenance. A big part of dry type maintenance is clearing the dust and debris from the windings. Cast resin transformers prevent both of those elements from reaching the windings. The resin barrier minimizes the need for maintenance around the coils. It's important to remember that you will still need to clear out your cast coil enclosures from any dust or debris that finds its way into those. Now you may be wondering, when should I get a cast resin unit versus just getting a VPI dry type with a more protective NEMA rating? All dry type transformers have a NEMA rating that indicates the transformer's enclosure level of protection. If your unit is indoors, it probably has a standard NEMA 1 rating. If it's outdoors, it probably has at least a NEMA 3R enclosure with a protective rain shield. Now, NEMA ratings in cast resin epoxy protect different parts of the transformer. NEMA ratings are protection levels for the entire transformer enclosure, while cast resin specifically protects the windings. If you're wondering whether you need winding protection, an enhanced enclosure, or both, you'll need to look at your specific application. Every transformer situation is different, but here are a few examples. If your transformer needs extra protection for both short circuits and excessive flying debris, a cast resin transformer with a NEMA 4X enclosure would work. However, if your environment is humid, but not overly corrosive, a cast coil transformer with a NEMA 3R enclosure would work. All right, let's wrap it up. If you're installing a unit in a rough indoor environment, consider an encapsulated or cast coil transformer. These units hold up under harsh conditions while also minimizing your routine maintenance and repairs. At Maddox, we stock both small encapsulated transformers and bigger cast coil units like this one. Reach out to get a quote today.